Hi, good morning guys. Here today to say thank you for everybody that's come on board to the channel. We've hit a milestone of 500 subscribers, which is a lot for me. Up until 6 months ago, I just used the YouTube channel as a dumping ground for ride videos. I didn't care what I put up there, just the odd clip, no narration, no nothing. But then I noticed I got 300 subscribers by default, so I just thought, well, I'll have a go at making something hopefully a little bit better, a little bit different. And from then I've tried to up my game as far as the clips on this channel. I mean, I don't know whether you'll agree, hopefully some people will. This last year we visited France, and there's some clips of us riding down through Carcassonne, and we went over the Millau Bridge and down through the gorge underneath, which was fantastic. This year we've got some interesting plans. We are heading to Scotland. We are going down to the south coast, so hopefully we're going to do the southernmost point and the uppermost point, highest point, whatever you want to call it, in Scotland. What a fantastic day. Look, oilseed rape's just about coming into flower now. Absolutely superb day. And just remember last year the beast from the east was here and we've got snow. You would not believe it. That's the beauty of living in this country. Right guys, what can you expect if you do subscribe to the channel? Well, it's more of this, more riding, more touring vids, hopefully interesting places to go. I'm going to try and do a short series on biker meetups, biker cafes. I've already set up a tour around the Vic Bikers pub in Colville, which is a big rock venue locally to me, and interesting guy that runs that. Obviously we've got lots of small ride outs locally to us, weekends away, and the big trip for us is over to the Picos. I've been over to Spain before, ridden in Spain, but I've not done the Picos mountains, and I'm really looking forward to that. We're going to have a base in Potes, whatever you want to call it. We're going to base ourselves there, and we're just going to explore the local area. We're also going to meet up with a couple of friends on, well, they're doing their big round Spain trip, so we'll see them for a couple of days while we're out there, which should be good as well. So anyway, I'll sign off for now. Thanks very much for tuning in. I hope you want to subscribe. If you do like the content on the channel, please tick the bell button and you'll be notified every time I put a new video up. And thanks again to everybody that's come on board this year. Really appreciate it. 500 subs, thank you.